Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to add new security code phone number on TD Canada. So, let's get started. First, open the TD Canada website and click on the login option. Enter your username, access card, and password and click login. Click on My Profile Settings, then select Password and Login Settings. Next, click on Security Code Phone Number List and then add another number. Enter the verification code, click Enter, and add a new phone number. Click Save, then Confirm, and finally, Verify Number. Enter the code again and click Enter. Your new phone number will now be added. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another Internet Guru.